Hi again, my friends. It's Ian at the Autoresponder Program, and when it comes to your messages, adding your messages, some have said, I've just opted into my campaign that I created and all the emails are ending up in spam. What is the matter with your program? It's not our program, okay? It is your email account's spam filters. Now, the reason those they end up in spam is because people report things willy-nilly. They might opt into something and then just thought, oh, I'm going to be a monkey, I'm going to report it as spam. So eventually, people like Google, they end up with a list of words of why they think this person has put it into spam. Okay, and the words are going to the thousands. So especially when you put your messages together and create a message, okay, in your different campaigns, and these are few of mine, you've got to be careful first of all with the subject line, and then Google may start picking on the body of your message. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of these words, and when you see them, you're going to think to yourself, is there anything that we can add? Well, the answer is yes, but it's like searching for a domain name. You've got to do some research. And also out there, if you Google it, email checkers, spam checkers, do that and you can find some free programs. Now, I don't normally use them, but I would if people weren't getting the emails that I send out from Buildabizonline. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the words now. Now, strap yourself to your chair and make sure your socks are tied on, because it's going to blow your socks off and you'll probably shoot off your chair. Okay, so let's have a look at these, and you have a look at the amount of words that they say are spam. So let's click on here. Email spam words to avoid. And these, a lot of them, are words that we use as an affiliate marketer. Now let's just get down it. You see financial, dollar signs, affordable, cheap, earn, income, lowest prices, money back. You would have thought that would have been okay. Money back guarantee. 100%. So these things, these words are words to not put in subject lines to start with. Free. Can you believe that? Free. Now, we'll come down onto some more. Let's get on to the general and the marketing. Can you see the amount of words there is here? Marketing. Click below. Now, these are call to actions, really. Click below. Click here. Direct marketing. Email marketing. Mass emailing. No way. Do never use those words, my friend. Sales. This isn't junk. You won't believe your eyes, lot. You will not believe your eyes. We hate spam. I've seen that many times. We hate spam as much as you do. So, right, medical. If you are into the health and wellness, there's a few words there. Look, you can see. Just feel free to scan through this when you're putting an email together, guys. Office. No disappointments. No inventory. No purchase necessary. Man alive. And then we're getting on to, there was some sense of urgency, access, act now, call free, call now, and never put that in. Don't delete. Limited time. So can you understand why these things end up in the spam? It's very difficult. Now, one of the things you could do in your welcome email or something like that, I don't usually use welcome emails, but when it comes to your settings, you could put on one of the pages, please whitelist this email. Okay? Please whitelist this email. You've asked for this, so it's not spam, it's just common sense really. So please whitelist the email that we are using to send this report that you have asked for. Can you understand what I'm saying? So they're just a few of the words that you need to look at when considering putting messages together to send out, and especially when you are sending out a broadcast. Now I can't show you this at the minute. Can I show you? Will it move? Yes, it will. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. There you go. So when you go to do a broadcast or mail all of the subscribers in each campaign, okay, please check the words through. Look at this video, pause it, and try to avoid words that these spam checkers use. I mean, it's just, like I say, it makes you think, is there any words we can use? There is, but we've got to be very crafty and very careful. Not crafty, because that's devious. But also, I think I've mentioned to you before, you can get spam checkers if you do a search in Google. Now, I don't personally use them, but spam checkers and email checkers, some you have to pay for, but some are free. So try that and see what your spam score is. Okay, so if you do that kind of a search, spam score checker, something like that. Okay, guys, so I hope this helps, and I hope this addresses the problem that people have when they say, what's happening? Why are all the emails ending up in spam? It's horrible, but that's email providers for you. Okay, guys, bye for now. Any questions, please let me know.